Hey everyone, it's Tammy with Southern Angels Boutique.
And Savannah.
And my niece Savannah is going to play camera person for me. Okay, so if we can get her to aim right there into my box. This is my stuff that I got from Blitsy. And I just want you guys to see, I just opened this box and this is how everything came. So get a good close look. And that's how everything came in the box. You see there was stuff just kind of thrown in here. And this piece was not even wrapped at all. And it could have gotten broken. So
yeah, I was like, what the heck, man?
Yeah, I was very disappointed. I mean, they could have wrapped it in some bubble wrap. And I'm very upset with Blitsy, how they've done this before years ago. And I quit, shopping with them. And I thought, well, this year I was going to try again. And for someone who spends over $100 on buying stuff, you would think they would have done better.
This could have been broken.
Yeah, I was very upset. It could have been broken. So I'm going to set that there. I got a good deal on their 52 gel pens.
Which I'm going to get her other ones.
Yeah, I'm going to give Savannah some old ones after I go through and see what I've got that work and don't work. They did wrap this.
Which, that's good.
But, I mean, it still wasn't wrapped the best. I mean, it's tossed around. This is wood. I mean, that could have broken.
Yeah.
But, so I got this cute little lantern.
There's no lantern in it yet.
Alright. And they had a good deal on this thing here. The book binder. I've always wanted one of these.
The dog. A binder thing.
To bind it all. To make books. And I did get
Speaking of binder, the binder things.
The binder things.
Yeah, so
try to keep it right in the box so I don't see all the junk around. Yeah, I've got pneumonia, guys. I didn't see my last video. And these are the free pens that I got for spending over $100. Which I'm glad I've got because I had bought some of these years ago. And they disappeared. Don't look at me. Look down there. Thank you. Because I look terrible. They disappeared.
These are going to be for the end.
Yeah. I have to get my let's see. And I got
Sketchbook.
the writing the letters, the brush letters, and it should have the pens in there too. Let's see. Oh, okay, they wrapped this. I don't know, they wrapped the wood things.
That's crooked.
So,
the tree.
Yeah, the tree.
Hold up.
I got all this stuff, like, over 3 weeks. I got it on, Thanksgiving? Thanksgiving night I ordered this stuff. My Black Friday sale.
Like how I would have fun with
I
this.
couldn't even remember what all I got. It's been so long.
We also have...
Oh, for my planner. This is the,
yeah.
to make my own Thanksgiving planner.
We also have...
my Christmas paper pack. Yeah,
So
I was waiting for this too.
Yeah. Aww. How are you? Let it snow. Let it go.
And, okay, hold it for a second and I'll get my knife tools.
Okay, guys, we're back on. So we're opening.
Oh, my inks. That's right. See, I'd forgotten. It's been so long. I finally got me some of these inks. I've been wanting to.
Okay, so
these are
inks, right?
Yeah, the Distressed Oxide inks.
Tea-dye. So there's a lot of colors. Yellow. We already got the black one.
It's the mustard seed.
Mustard seed.
Right persimmon. You can just set them down in the box. Pick them up afterwards.
Green.
Don't read the names of them.
Okay, so this one was ripped green. Mustard seed. Ground espresso. Tea dye. Mowed lawn. I don't get that, but okay.
Stormy sky.
Stormy sky, which I am all the time. If I don't have my
Dusty
coffee.
corn.
Dusty, which she loves. Because it's purple.
Barn door.
Barn door.
Old paper.
Old paper. All my old sketchings.
Sugar. Plum sugar.
That doesn't make sense. Crushed olive. That sounds disgusting. And tumbled glass. Okay.
Okay, yep, that's the whole set of them. Okay, so we'll turn it back on. I don't think he works anymore. Turn it back on. Open this one.
Okay, so guys, this is what she got. Woohoo!
You can just sit it down.
We have a whatever that is.
Oh, this is the correction tape for the mono air. That's what it is. It's the Tombow correction.
These are my.
Yeah, I'll set them there so I can try and get a pic. And then I've got the Tombow
Tomboy. No.
mono drawing pens. That's what those are. With the 3 different size tips. And then the brush pens to go with. Yeah, that's right. I got those instead of to go with the.
So guys, that was all for today.
Yeah, I think that was it in the box. But I'm very disappointed. I'm very disappointed. And